Today, I'm doing a presentation on code check. Code check for a dead-end corridor by Zulueta architecture. So question, what is a dead-end corridor? And the reply, a dead-end corridor is a corridor with one end as the entry and the other end is a wall, hence a dead end. So a dead-end corridor is when the same way you enter, it will be the same point of exiting. So does the code allow a dead-end corridor? And yes, the code does allow a dead-end corridor up to a certain length. Some jurisdictions would allow 10 feet and some jurisdictions would allow up to 20 feet. And another condition that a dead-end corridor will be allowed if it is entirely within a suite. So if you have a dead-end corridor within one suite, then the code will allow it. And what this means is that you have users or occupants of that space that is familiar with your exiting. And so that is the reason why the code would allow that. And so here is an example of a dead-end corridor. And this is currently a floor plan or a project that I am working on right now. As you can see, the space is laid out, or what we have are existing front doors. So you've got two front doors, but it doesn't have a rear door, which is unique to this space. And so if you look at the central corridor, this is actually a dead-end corridor. And so I was talking to the client that, and I pointed this out, that you do have a dead-end corridor and code will allow this. They will allow you, and the city will allow this, because what we will be saying is that there's only one tenant or one suite that is using the dead-end corridor, and this is only one suite. So this is an example of a dead-end corridor that is entirely within a suite. Now, if you have a dead-end corridor where these rooms that you have right now are different tenants. So for example, this room you would have a like a shop, and then the other room is a different shop owned by different or leased by different tenants. Then this dead-end corridor, you can't have that. That's not allowed. And so what are the problems with a dead-end corridor? It is definitely an exiting issue, right? Because it increases your travel distance to the exit, and it's a safety issue because a person can easily get trapped in the corridor. And what is really the problem when you have emergencies or fires, it's not the actual fire itself, but the smoke inhalation. And so a dead-end corridor increases your travel distance. So how to deal with dead-end corridors? As much as possible, you should avoid dead-end corridors, and you should design your corridors in a continuous route with having both ends having access to exits. And so in closing, I hope that you gain knowledge from this session. If you need more information, feel free to contact me at info@zuluetaarchitecture.com. Take care and have a good day. So I also want to say I have two websites. I have another service that I'm promoting, which is design2code.ca. Anyway, you have a good day. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thank you and goodbye.